guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little bit different. I have never done a haul from this place before, but I have a Grove Collaborative cleaning product haul for you guys. This video is obviously not sponsored. I so wish that it was because I do like Grove Collaborative a lot. If you aren't familiar with Grove Collaborative, it is an online website where you can order more natural and organic cleaning products that are safer for you and your home. And if you sign up for their 60-day free VIP membership trial and spend $20 your first time ordering, they will give you free shipping and a bunch of free products. So I have ordered from them once before, and I actually ended up canceling because I didn't realize that it was a reoccurring service, and I personally don't like reoccurring services for things that I shop for regularly because I'll forget that I have an order coming and I'll go out and buy a product. You know what I mean? But my boyfriend was really interested in it, so he placed an order, so we did get some free items because it was his first time. I'm going to leave their frequently asked questions page below. Their website does make it kind of hard to figure out how you go about canceling, how you go about pausing your orders. And no disrespect to them because I actually love Grove, but I do just want to leave that below in case you have questions that you're having trouble getting answered. And I will let you know what was free and what we actually purchased. So let's get into the haul now. I can give you guys mini reviews on most of these products because I have used them at least once before. The only thing I cannot give you a review on is this product, and this is something that we actually purchased. This is the Method Wood for Good Daily Clean. It cleans and dusts, and I have never purchased anything from Method before. I don't know why, because it is the more affordable brand that's on Grove's site, but this is a huge bottle, 28 fluid ounces, and I want to say it was like $3 or $4, very affordable. I only have one surface that I would really use this on. We do have wood in our apartment, but it's like textured wood that I wouldn't use a normal cleaner on. The only thing that I would use this on is our dining table, and it is currently turned into an office right now. We have our iMac sitting on it. I'm looking at it right now with like all of our tax documents because it's tax season. Both my boyfriend and I do freelance or own our own businesses. Mine is YouTube. He does freelance photography, videography, and all that. So we have all of our tax documents sitting out. As soon as we put that away, I am going to give this a try, and if you're curious how it works, I'll update you in the description box below. By the way, the items that we actually wanted to purchase, that we went on Grove to buy, were actually included as free gifts. So we ended up buying some stuff that we wouldn't have normally tried because we were going to be spending the money anyways and getting like double the cleaning products. So this is one of those items that we weren't intending to try, but we bought to get us to that $20 so we could get the things that we actually wanted for free, and we ended up with more stuff. So this is the Caldrea Linen and Room Spray. This is in the scent Ginger Pomelo, and this smells, I'll read the description because the description says it best. A zesty, energizing blend of pomelo, the grandest citrus fruit, paired with warm ginger. Essential oils of grapefruit and basil help create an uplifting tonic. This smells very much like the orange and ginger candle from Bath & Body Works, or that energizing line of orange and ginger if you're familiar. It smells like a cleaning product, but it smells fresh. And this is quite pricey. This is about $10. I do really like this. I feel safe, you know, spraying it around my apartment. I do have a dog, so I'm kind of mindful about what I spray in here. It lingers for about 30 minutes or so. It's the kind of scent that I like just to freshen up. It's not a scent that I would want like permanently in like a wallflower or a candle that I burn all the time. I will probably try to find something a little bit more affordable, maybe if Mrs. Meyers has something before I repurchase this, but I am glad that I tried it. And if I don't find something that I like better, then I definitely would get this again. And then the last item that I purchased, I'm actually not 100% sure which one of these things was the last thing that I bought because all of the cleaning products from here on out are Mrs. Meyers, and one of them was free and or one of them I purchased and the rest were free, and they're all kind of the same price. So I'm going to go ahead and say that this is the one that I purchased. This is the multi-surface spray. This spray has changed my life, you guys. If I'm being 100% honest, I am not the kind of person who loves to clean. I grew up in a house where everything had to be spotless. It was almost like military how clean and tidy my home was, and so it kind of like pushed me in the opposite direction. And Mrs. Meyer's products have really gotten me excited to clean. They make me not dread it so much. And the reason for that is because they smell so good. They don't smell like cleaning products. They smell like you lit a really nice seasonal candle or you have a wallflower in. They don't have like an astringent cleaner smell. It's just, and I'm somebody who home fragrance is so important to me. I love that. So yeah, Mrs. Meyers has turned it around for me. They're like the cleaning products of my dreams, and this is my favorite one. So I use this on my counters, my cabinets, my refrigerator, my appliances. I use it on everything, and I was really excited that they came out with this mint scent for spring because I really like the apple cider one for fall, the peppermint one for winter. And when it comes to spring fragrance, I've said this on my channel before, I'm not into it. I don't like florals. I don't go crazy for tropicals in the summer. I actually don't like most herbal scents either. Obviously mint is herbal, but I had a feeling that this was going to be a sweet mint. Like just the packaging made it look like maybe it would smell like a mojito or something, and it does smell like double mint gum. It is a sweet mint. I absolutely love it, and this scent in particular is tied for first place now with the apple cider scent, and this lingers and lingers and lingers in my kitchen. Mind you, I do have a small kitchen, but the other night I like sprayed the whole kitchen down with this, and then the next morning when I woke up I could still smell this lingering in there. So if there is any one product from this haul that I can recommend, this is my favorite. I will probably purchase a few of these to have backups in this scent because I don't think this is a permanent scent. I think it's just a seasonal one. Okay, now moving on to the products that we were sent for free. They did send us some things that aren't technically like cleaners, and I'll start with those just to kind of keep it spicy. So they sent us this Stoneware Tray. And this is really nice. I think this retails for about $10 on their site, and it's just this little tray that you can put your, you could put your soap here, your dish soap here, a lotion, whatever order you want. It's big enough to hold about 3 products on it, and I have used this. I'm looking at it and there are crumbs on it, and I'm a little grossed out. I hope you can't see that. I did put it back in the box just to show you how it will come, but I had a sponge sitting on here, the dish soap, and the multi-surface cleaner, and it's really cute. You don't have to use it for your kitchen. You could like use this for your perfumes or something, but it is a nice way to kind of corral everything and to make it look just a little bit nicer, because a lot of times I hate sitting cleaning products out on my counter. I just want it to look clean and like, whatever. But now that I have all these matching cleaning products and I have a cute little dish to sit them on, I don't really mind having them sitting out. The next item that they sent us is this little bottle here. This is the 16-ounce spray bottle with the silicone sleeve. This is the Grove brand, as well as that tray was the Grove brand as well. So it comes in this box that I'm having trouble opening. Okay, I got it. And I've seen people use these in their Clean With Me videos. I think they're very cute. It's just a really nice glass bottle with a cute mint sleeve. And this actually matches all of the mint products that I purchased. So these would look cute sitting out together, although I might just pour this in here. I don't know. Next product that I purchased is this Mrs. Meyer's hand soap. This is in the mint scent as well. It's made with olive oil and aloe vera, and if you aren't familiar with Mrs. Meyer's, I should have said first and foremost, but they are made with plant-derived ingredients, essential oils, aloe vera extract, glycerin, and olive oil, and they're made without parabens and phthalates, MEA and DEA, and artificial colors. So they're more natural and they're safer for you. So if you're somebody who cares about that, or you have kids and you want to make sure that they're getting the best, these are nice and they're not too pricey. I think that they range in price from like $3 to maybe like $5. They're cleaning products. I do definitely want to try out the laundry detergent. That is kind of pricey though, so if you have tried that out, leave a comment below letting me know what you think of it. But yeah, I can't give like rave reviews about any hand soap right now because all hand soaps are definitely wreaking havoc on my hands. They are so dry, so cracked. It happens every winter. Like, hand soap is my mortal enemy in the winter because I have to use it more because it's flu season, but it's just drying my hands out. So I don't know that this will replace Bath & Body Works hand soaps for me, but I do like it. The next thing that I have started to use are these, I have it upside down, walnut and cellulose scrubber sponges. We got 2 of these for free. And like I said, everything after the multi-surface spray was free. And people seem to really like these. I'm not going to repurchase these. I think they're just okay. They smell bad. If you smell it up close, it does not smell good. I don't know how a normal sponge smells when you take it out of the packaging. I don't typically smell sponges, but for whatever reason, I decided to smell this one. I think because it says that it's walnut, so I was like, oh, is it gonna smell nutty? But no, it smells like bad hygiene or something. I don't like it. But yeah, they just look like this. They're a sturdy, nice sponge, but I think they're maybe like $5 for the set of 2, and I'm just fine getting my regular old sponges for like $1 or whatever. I also got the Mrs. Meyers lavender scent hand lotion. I wish I could use right now. I'm going to. I do like this hand lotion, and I kind of like this lavender scent, although I'm not usually like a floral person. I feel like lavender is different than floral though. Lavender smells a little bit more like astringent or something. It smells nice. It smells almost like a sweet lavender in a way. I do like this. I don't love lavender usually, but I do like this. They didn't have the mint in this, so I went with lavender because I did order a whole mess of lavender and Mrs. Meyers products for a friend's like housewarming gift, and I did like the scent. So this is nice. It does leave your hands moisturized. I'm actually kind of shocked. It is like not a very thick consistency, but it's not super thin either, but it really does feel like it's moisturizing. Usually moisturizers that come, these didn't come as a set, but you know, like moisturizers that complement soaps, I feel like they don't actually moisturize that well, but this feels nice. And I'm pretty picky right now because my hands are so dry, so I am loving that. The last product, and this is probably my second favorite product that I picked up, is the Mrs. Meyers dish soap. This says biodegradable and cuts grease. This is in the mint scent. You don't have to use a lot of this at all, just to squirt on your sponge, or like if I have a dish full, or if I have a sink full of dishes, I will just kind of go like this really quickly and not use that much, and it like everything gets clean. So this says all the same things as the back of this says made with all the same things as the last one that I read you, but it also says made without glycol solvents and chlorine. This is nice if you are using it with your bare hands and not gloves, because the chlorine isn't going to dry your hands out as badly. And these do have that little bunny on them, which I think means they're not tested on animals, and I really like that. So I am loving this. This is my favorite cleaning product combo ever. So that is it, you guys. That was my entire Grove haul. I hope that you enjoyed. Let me know what you like to order from Grove, if you can recommend me anything that I didn't already purchase. Let me know about that Mrs. Meyers detergent if you have tried it. I'm very curious. And like I said, I am going to leave that frequently asked questions page from the Grove website below, because you can pause your shipments altogether and just order as needed. But I don't know if it was just me, but I couldn't find that information just on my account. If I went into my account settings, it gave me the option to auto ship by month or every 2 months, and there was nothing that just said pause, so I had to research it. I went to the frequently asked questions page, and there was a link to follow to do that. So I felt like it was a little bit difficult. So if you're somebody who doesn't want to get reoccurring shipments but you want to try the service, definitely check out that frequently asked questions page and figure that all out before you order. And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I will see you back in my next one. Bye guys.